Hey guys, this is going to be my first video, and it's going to be an EDC video and a response to a contest by Roxy. Alright, so here we go. First item, I'll just go left to right. Reframe this. Alright, so first is my watch, and it's a guard dog watch. It's not like a wristwatch, but there's a little belt clip right here, and you just clip it on there, and when you need to look at the time, you just flip it out like that. So it's pretty cool. They're available online. Alright, next item, Spyderco Tenacious. There's been so many reviews and things like that on this knife that I don't even need to talk about it much. But yeah, I really like it, and very, very sharp. So, next item is my iPhone. This is my iPhone 4 jailbroken, and yep, there we go. Okay, next is my light, and before I didn't really carry a light too much because I didn't have that much of a need for one. But now with my job, I get off when it's dark, and I just see myself needing it a lot more. And it's so small, like you just slip it there into your pocket and it disappears at the bottom. It's the Phoenix LD01, and it has 27, 10, and then 80 lumen settings. So 27, whoops, 27. For some reason it's not working here. 10. Maybe it needs new batteries. 80. Alright. Alright, moving on. This is my wallet. This is the Maxpedition Micro. Very good wallet, and yep, it has cash on the outside, which is quick to access. And then this is for coins and stuff. This is the Trolley Changer, and yeah, you can get these online too. Alright, so to kind of counter the large, maybe possibly aggressive looking Spyderco Tenacious, I have the a buck Texas toothpick, which is only for very light EDC tasks when it wouldn't really be appropriate to use that. So yeah, and the blade on this does dull quite a lot, or quite easily, so there we go there. Okay. Next I guess we'll go with my pen. This is the Smith & Wesson tactical pen, and it's pretty good. Got the Fisher Space Pen insert in there, and it's got a very cute tip there for anything defensive. Okay, next, my keys. I guess you call these my keys. I only have a couple keys on them, but I have a lanyard I made there on the end, a bottle opener, and that's what I never really got. Why do bottle openers, which usually go with opening and drinking beer, go on keys, which usually go with opening and driving cars? I never really got that, but whatever. Key to my motorcycle, key to my garage, an 8GB USB flash drive, and a little pill fob here for I have some ibuprofen in there. Alright, so next part of the contest, show or tell and explain a dream EDC item. I guess that would have to be, I'll do two. The Chris Reeve Sebenza for an EDC knife, And even though I know it's very expensive, and most people who have them don't use them as EDCs, but why not? Why would you have it if you're not really going to use it? I don't see the point in that, but again, I'm not a collector. I mean, I am to an extent. But, and I guess the other item would be the bench, I'm not sure of the model on this, but the Benchmade tactical pen. Just because it's lighter than this, and it looks really, really cool. So, yeah. And the pocket clip is a lot higher. See the pocket clip on that is a little bit exposed, which, if I had the choice, I'd like it deeper. Alright, so, moving on here. Any item that I would recommend to anyone watching? Well, I'll do a couple. I would really recommend the Trolley Changer, because, that way you don't have to pay for things with bills and then just get loose change back. You can pay for things exactly, which I really like. Another thing I would recommend is the Maxpedition Micro Wallet, just because it's so small. It's not leather, so it's really light and very high quality. Basically, I would recommend almost anything here. Yes, I would recommend the Tenacious, just because it's such a great cheap EDC knife. And I would also recommend, if you're into these type of watches, the Watchdog watch here, because it's very unique, very cool, and I like it. Alright, favorite pizza topping. I don't know. I might just have to say pepperoni, but if we're doing like combos here, I would say pepperoni, mushrooms, and bacon. Very, very good. Okay, and lastly, my favorite phone app. And as you see here, I have an iPhone 4, and if I'd have to just pick one, it would have to be, and this is a jailbroken iPhone again, it would have to be Cydia. And that's because with Cydia you can get every single tweak that you could imagine for your phone. It's very, very excellent. Yep. Alright, and my favorite tweak would be lock info, I think it's called, right here where I have mail and SMS notifications there. Alright. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and good luck to everyone else then. Alright, see ya.